Students, in previous class I had written some definitions for as multiples and factors, divisible, even number, odd number, perfect number. Today I am going to solve some worked out examples. Example 1. Find the prime factors of 60. There are two methods to find the prime factor. First method is called division method and second method is called factor tree method. Example worked out examples. Worked out examples. First number question, find the prime factors of 60. Find the prime factors of 60. First method, first. Division method. 60 is equal to we write as divided by 2, 30, 15, 3, 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And by factor tree method, second method, second, factor tree method. In this method, we write as 60 is equal to, we write 60 and divided by 2, because 60 is divisible by 2, write the quotient in other hand 30. Write the symbol of multiplication. Again we divide 30 by 2. And when dividing 30 by 2, we have 15 as quotient. Again write the symbol of multiplication, and at last we multiply 13 by 3. We get 5. This is the prime factors. Prime factors is 60 is equal to 60 बराबर 2 into 3 into 5. Hence, we can find the prime factor by division method and factor tree method. Similarly, you can find the prime factors of 60. You can solve by any method if you are not given. If you are given, find the prime factors of division method, then this method you can apply, division method. And if you are given to find the prime factors by factor tree method, then you can apply this method. So example 1, 2, 3 problems will be solved by this method. And now in type 3 questions, in type 3 which of the separate. Now example 3, example 4, 5. Example 4, separate the prime and composite number from the following. So we know that a number having exactly two factors is a prime number, and the number which has more than two factors is called composite number. So if you are given some numbers and you have to find the prime factors and prime number and the composite number, then if prime number which has one factor and the number itself is called prime factor, and the composite number which has more than two factors. So you can find the prime factors of any number and type 3 questions, problems based on divisibility test of number by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 15. Use the following divisibility test whichever is required. If you are given to you are given that which number is divisible by 2, then you solve that if a number is divisible, if the ones digit of number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then the number will be divisible by 2. If it's ones digit, I am going to write some rules. Rules. A number is divisible. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is ones digit is 0, and an even number. If its ones digit is an even number, and even number, yeah, 0. Yeah. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is even number, yeah, 0. Divisibility by 3. By 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is, if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Three number by 4 the rules of divisibility by 4. If the number formed by its last two digits, if the number formed by last two digit is divisible by 4. If the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. And 4 number question, divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit या once digit is either 0 or 5. If the last digit once digit is 0 or 5. So I have written 4 rules for divisibility. First rule says that a number is divisible by 2. कोई संख्या 2 से विभाज्य होती है यदि उसके इकाई का अंक या तो 0 हो या कोई सम संख्या हो, इवन नंबर. Then the whole number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is even number या 0. यदि संख्या के इकाई का अंक 0 अथवा इवन नंबर हो, सम संख्या हो, तो पूरी संख्या 2 से विभाज्य होती है. And second rule by 3. Rules for divisibility by 3. 3 से विभाज्यता का नियम है कि if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. यदि किसी संख्या के अंकों का योग 3 से विभाज्य हो तो पूरी संख्या 3 से विभाज्य होती है. If the sum of its digit is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. And the rules for divisibility by 4 says that if the number formed by last two digit is divisible by 4, यदि किसी संख्या के अंतिम 2 अंकों का योग यदि 4 से विभाज्य हो तो पूरी संख्या 4 से विभाज्य होती है. And rules for divisibility by 5. If the last digit means ones digit of a number is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 4. So only divisible by 5. So I have written only 4 rules of this chapter, factors and multiples, and there are also some rules for divisibility by 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. So in next class I will write and teach you about rules for divisibility by 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. You try to solve the examples of this chapter. Example 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can solve. I believe that you will not feel trouble. And in next class I will write rest rules for divisibility. Thank you.